What's up, guys? I just want to show you guys how to get HEVC video extensions for free, because I know a lot of you guys don't want to pay this 99 cents for it. But if you just want to get it for free and you're having trouble importing videos into your editing software or anything like that, this is just how you get it for free. So what you're going to want to do is go to Google, and you're going to want to go to the link in the very top of the description, and it's going to bring you to this website right here. So once it brings you to this website, you're just going to want to come over here and wait this amount of time until it says skip ad right here. So when it shows up with skip ad, you're going to want to click that, and right here, this is where you're going to want to click allow. This is not a virus, it's just going to take you to the Google Drive where you're going to want to get it. So it's going to be right here. This is the page where you're going to want to be. You're going to want to click download, and it's going to take a few seconds depending on your internet to download. And as soon as it finishes downloading, you're going to want to click on it. And since I already have it installed, you're going to want to click around here somewhere where it says install, and once you click install, it should take you through like a very short process of installing it, and you should be good to go, and you can import your videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.